Hey, Sadie and Jose, welcome to Consumer Math. I hope you're paying attention because we're skipping 9.3, 9.4 because the book doesn't give you enough information. I don't know what they're thinking, but anyway. Okay, so we're gonna go over to 9.5, state income tax. So just watch your videos this week to make sure that you're in the right order. It'll be 9.5 today, 9.6, 9.7, 9.8. We're gonna end on this week, right, on Thursday? Okay, so look what it says on 9.5. Go ahead and get there. State income tax. Really, I know you could figure out this lesson by yourself. The reason why I'm going to do it is just so you know, you can like see all the steps that go into using the table. That's the only reason why, so that you don't get a little confused or overwhelmed by all the details. That's all. So really quickly, it says most states have a state income tax. Okay, so one for us, I don't know if it's the same thing here. If you guys pay like a general federal tax, which would be for the country, and then pay according to the municipal or department, but we do on some states. Like, you're gonna have to pay for your federal income tax, that's for living in the United States, but then you pay an extra state tax for living in the state that you live in. Some states, Florida, where I live, doesn't have a state income tax. But it says most states have a state income tax, which is usually deducted from the employee's paycheck. The rate of taxation and the method of computing it are as varied as the states who have instituted the tax. So they get to decide how much you pay and how you pay and the process. The tax table shown is representative of one type of tax table used and is also similar to the tax rate schedules X, Y, and Z used by the federal government for taxable incomes over $100,000. So even students in the states are learning from this lesson, but their state tax might look different, okay? But it is a good experience to know how to read this table. So it says on model problem number 1, Evelyn Wagner earned a taxable income of $14,780. Find her state income tax liability using the sample rates. Okay, so you look at her rate is $14,780, so you look at the table. You have the ranges 0 to 5,000, 5,000 to 10,000, 10,000 to 15,000, 15,000 to infinity, right? So she's going to be in the category of 10,000 to 15,000 because hers is $14,780. So let's read the tax rate. It says $350 plus 5% of the amount over $10,000. So what are you going to have to do first? Obviously, find what is over $10,000. Obviously, it's going to be $4,780. So you have your $4,780 is what is over 10, right? And you're going to take 5% of that. So you're going to get $239. And then you're obviously going to add that to the base that they told you in that range, $350. And that is literally all that you do to find your state income tax. Okay, look at model problem number 2. Dale Sims earned a taxable income of $41,100. Find his state income tax liability using the sample rates. So he has the $141,000, so that's going to be on the 15,000 to infinity, right? So obviously he's first paying $600, and then he's going to be paying 6% over 15,000. So just 41,100 minus 15,000, right? Okay, so you have 26,100, and you multiply that by what? 6%. So you get 1,566, and then you add that to the $600 base. Okay, super, super easy. $2,166 is your state income tax. Okay, so your exercises, number 1, your answer should be 299. Just make sure that you're doing it right. And your, I'm going to give you number 8 as well. Number 8's answer is 900 because that one goes over the 15,000. So just make sure you're doing that one right. And if you have any other questions, just let me know. Bye.